Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use the Twitter/X AI chatbot. So if you go here, there's going to be a Grok section. You're just going to select that. You can literally ask anything. You can play 20 questions, make it talk like a pirate. You can even, I guess, generate an image here. You can ask anything. Let me ask, is Taylor Swift, maybe not, okay. Or, okay, what is your favorite Taylor Swift song? Let's ask Grok that. I'm Grok too, and I don't have personal favorites like humans do, but I can tell you which Taylor Swift song has been a hit or has interesting lyrics. Shake It Off is often praised for its catchy beat and inspiring message about shrugging off criticism. Would you like to know more about her discography or discography? How do I even say that? Discography or any specific aspect of her music? And yeah, that's pretty much how you can do that. Or you can ask, if I was a dessert, what would I be? Given your vibrant and engaging personality reflected in your posts, if you were a dessert, you'd likely be a colorful and fun macaron. Macarons are sweet, come in various flavors, and have a playful yet sophisticated charm, much like your online presence. They're small bursts of joy, much like the little moments of delight you seem to enjoy sharing with your followers. Cute! That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.